think next we're gonna pull the gas tank out. Should be a pretty easy job. Got it backed up on the ramps. Yeah, it looks like it's just flanged up there. We just got to disconnect the filler neck, and I guess I haven't looked yet to see if there's a passage for the fuel pump. Well, there's obviously no fuel pump back here. Ah, here it is. So I decided to take a look at the gas tank. No surprise, we got some surface rust there. More like a brownish orange color to it. It looked dirty. So I just used a screwdriver and kind of popped the lock ring off of the fuel pump assembly. So we're going to look at it for the first time. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, the sock's gone. All this is garbage. Looks a little funky down in there. We're going to have to replace this entire assembly. It's no big deal. We were not planning on using this fuel pump anyways. I've been looking at my options. Different Walbro options. I think what's going to happen is I think they make like a 450 liter per hour pump. I may have to figure out how to put 2 of those on the assembly. And I was reading about connecting one to a relay to a pressure switch so that once I hit a certain amount of boost, the secondary pump will come on and it'll deliver enough fuel so that I don't run lean. That's way down the road. Right now we're just going to focus on the single pump.